Let's make bulgogi. Start by cutting all of your aromatics and set it aside. So cut one stalk of your scallion into slices and the other stalk of scallion into just a little over 2 inches in length. Slice your onions, mince your garlic, and your ginger. Then cut your beef about 1/4 inch into bite-sized pieces. To make the marinade, in a small bowl, combine your soy sauce, brown sugar, salt and pepper to taste. Then stir and heat your ingredients together. Heating the marinade will help it seep into the beef a bit quicker as well as reduce the marinade process, and this will also allow you to cook it immediately. In a large bowl, combine all of your ingredients together, the sliced beef, onions, short-cut scallions, ginger, garlic, and the marinade, and mix the ingredients together really well, ensuring that the marinade is all over the hard ingredients. You can use a tongue, but I found that using your hand to massage the ingredients together works best. And I usually don't like to touch raw meat and typically wear gloves, but I didn't do that for this video. In a large shallow pot, add about 2.5 tablespoons of avocado oil and put the heat on high for about 30 seconds. Then start cooking your marinated beef on high heat, but hold off on your long cut scallions until later. And stir for about 5 minutes, making sure to cook all sides of the beef. After stirring 5 minutes, add your long cut scallions and stir for about another 1.5 minutes. And that's it. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Okay, mokja, let's eat!